Yeah, happy birthday to myself, boy. Got me this here Vibrant Performance muffler. Hopefully it's the right part. I got it from RealStreetPerformance, so shout out to them. Shout out to FedEx and RealStreetPerformance for getting this package here hella quick and shipping it fast and having it delivered hella fast on my birthday. Perfect. Awesome. It wasn't supposed to be here till the 12th, but it's the 8th. Let's go ahead and crack this open and see if we got the right muffler G-Tang. Boom. There we go. Unboxed. Now, I don't think these are directional. I'm not sure. Typically they would have a piece on there. I want to say it's the same muffler that I got on this wagon here. But yeah, so I ordered this 2.5 inch Vibrant. I think it's called like an extra quiet or something like that. I am going to keep the straight pipe on here, but I'm going to put a V-band, I think just straight onto this thing, and then that way I can swap out a straight pipe for this muffler and bling bling, and then that way I can go from having a quiet sleeper styled exhaust and go to full race mode within a few minutes. So I gotta wait for the V-bands to come in, but I'm gonna do a quick measurement and see if this is in fact the same muffler as the one on this other wagon, because again, the goal with these two cars is just essentially to make them twinning, and that even goes for the exhaust. I want to just have these things virtually identical for the most part. Obviously, race car stuff with this one because it's got the B swap, and I will be running the straight pipe on this most often, and then when I need to just drive regular, I'll just have this exhaust off to the side. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I gotta wait a couple days for the V-bands to come in, so that's pretty much where I'm going to end it for now. But yeah, stoked. Very stoked. Alright, so I measured it, and this is the exact same exhaust that I have on this car already. The only difference is I think this one has a middle outlet and this one's got an opposite ended outlet, so that's the only difference. But I already installed it, so it doesn't matter. It looks cool.